Installation of veneered wall coverings. Wallpaper is cut into strips with a 10 centimeters margin. The non-woven backing must be moistened with water to make the fabric more flexible. Prepare the walls for non-woven wallpaper by removing dust and priming them. We recommend using professional, ready-made KT Exclusive Crystal Power adhesive. The adhesive is applied to the wall evenly across all areas. Once the non-woven fabric has become elastic, the wallpaper is mounted on the wall. Smooth it out with a pressure spatula. Carefully trim off any excess with the utility knife.